EagleRidge provides expert bathroom remodeling services in Farmington, Utah, 84025, transforming outdated spaces into modern, functional, and stylish retreats. Whether you're upgrading tubs, showers, sinks, toilets, mirrors, lighting, or cabinetry, our skilled team ensures a seamless renovation process from start to finish. Enhance energy efficiency and reduce utility costs with updated fixtures and appliances. Modern design trends like spa-inspired features, sustainable materials, and smart technology add both comfort and value to your home. Our remodeling services include everything from demolition and plumbing to lighting, waterproofing, and tile installation, tailored to meet your vision. With accessibility modifications, custom cabinetry, and innovative storage solutions, we create a bathroom that meets your lifestyle needs. Upgrading your space not only enhances daily convenience, but also boosts property value, making it a worthwhile investment. For a free estimate, call EagleRidge in Farmington at 801-784-1457. Let's bring your dream bathroom to life with expert craftsmanship and high-quality materials.